Here we are on TradingView.com. Now, this is the platform we're going to use to mark up our charts. I'm going to get you set up with just a couple tools here and introduce you to the platform just briefly. Okay, for starters, it might make you create an account. So just take a minute and do either a sign in or create an account. Just use your Google. Okay, now that you have a sign in, go to products and super charts. This is a basic chart. Come up here to the left-hand corner, and this is where we're going to search for our symbols. So you can see that there's everything here: stocks, funds, futures, Forex, crypto. I mean, absolutely everything you want to trade. As long as the broker is offering it, you're going to find it here. So we're going to be dealing with Forex, and I want you to first open, let's search for euro over the dollar. So it's going to be EUR USD. And let's choose this Oanda one. I like this one. Okay, this is the basics of a chart. Now, one cool thing about TradingView is that you can drag and drop and kind of move. A lot of these platforms are not this user-friendly, so it's really nice to be able to just move your chart however you want. You can rescale it, big and small, like that. And there's a ton of stuff on here, but I'm just going to be showing you a few things to get you started today. Let's go ahead one more time and practice changing our symbols here. So let's now go to USD CAD. That's USD Canadian. Here we are on USD Canadian dollar. And if you look right here, I'm on the 4 hour. Whatever yours is, go ahead and click on this. And I want you to click on the 4 hour. In fact, I want you to star this. We're going to add this to favorites here. So now we're all looking at the 4 hour chart. Now, each one of these candles here represents 4 hours. It's all the activity that happened over 4 hours. So you can look at different time frames on the chart, and we'll understand how to use these later on. But for now, I want you to favorite a few of them that we're going to be using regularly. So come up to the top, and let's find the 15-minute. You're just going to add the little star there. We're going to go for the 1 hour, the 4 hour, and the daily. Okay, so now they should all be up here so that you can easily flip between them. All right, let's get into why I really love TradingView. So TradingView, you can mark up your charts. You can draw all over them. Remember Paint from back in the day? It's a lot like that. So you can draw things like trend lines here and move them around, change them different colors, make them different widths, add text. I mean, you can really customize your charts as much as you want. You can do these horizontal lines that are really nice for marking your chart up. You can just have a brush and, draw things. We have text. You can mark, where you want your profit, or if you just want to take notes to yourself. So I'm going to show you how to add all of these cool tools. Come over here to the side, and I'm going to have you favorite a few that we're going to be using. So click on the little arrow, and it should pull up these options here. So let's highlight the cross and the arrow. On the second one down, see if you can find the trend line, the horizontal line, the vertical line. We're going to get into the shapes. So let's grab the brush here. Grab the arrow marker, arrow up, arrow down, the rectangle, the path, and the circle. I think that is all for that one. And then let's grab text and call out. Now, when you have them all, which I will list down below this video, you will have this easy access bar here. And of course, play around with them. If there's others that you want, by all means, add whatever you would like. If you have a favorite emoji you want to use, then, add it there. Okay. Let's see. If you draw up on your chart and you want to say get rid of everything, then all you have to do is come down here and hit the trash. You can either remove indicators, drawings, or all. If you don't want to throw them away, you just want them hidden, you can just hit hide. So those are very useful. And then sometimes as I'm moving through the chart, I'll accidentally, grab one of my drawings. And it's especially frustrating if you put a line there that you really want to be there. So I like to go in here and just lock all my drawings as soon as it's done. And that way you have to select it to get rid of it. You can't accidentally trash it. That's all we're going to do on TradingView today. You're going to learn later on how to use some more of the other features, and there is a way to even customize this even further. But for now, leave the candles the way they are and leave the red and green especially. For now, just play around with it. Practice drawing some lines, writing some text, using some of the tools that we favorited that are now on your quick board. Maybe take a look at the charts on different time periods and just see how they look different. But really, that's all we're doing today. Of course, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me or lean on the group. We're all in here to help you, and we're all doing this together. All right, I'll see you in the next video.